Now it is not. Now again, to reduce the time to add on all the fields separately, I simply what I do, select the field. Can you see when I took the mouse to this dot, it has shown me plus sign. I'll simply drag it. Can you see? Automatically the entire sum has come of all these fields together. So this is called absolute referencing. When I copy the same formula, it is called absolute referencing, and combination of both is known as the mixed referencing. Now here, if I want to see the entire thing in the form of a chart. Chart means you have seen bar chart, column chart, pie chart and so on in your mathematics also you used to design. Same in MS Excel also we can design. How? Simply I'll just remove this chart once which we have already designed so that it will be easier for you to understand then. Let's select the entire table. Select it. Now click on the insert. You can see here it is in this column, line, pie, bar. You can pick up any kind of a chart whichever you want. I'll take bar chart. Select. See, the chart has come automatically. I'll just drag it down so that it will be visible by you. See how it has drawn the chart in its own way. Or if you want to see some other chart, select the data, again go to insert, or we can take as line chart if you want. See, line chart has come. So in this way you can design any kind of a chart in your sheet. You can introduce a chart in your sheet. Now you can also change the color using the font color here, red color you want, or if you want to fill in the color, just select the cell. Here you have fill in color, you can fill in the color in the cell. You can increase the width. Select the cell, go to format, column width, and simply type down here. It will automatically increase the width of the cell. Or if you increase the height, select the cell, format, row height, and increase the size or decrease the size, whichever you want. It will automatically increase the height. So using the format option, we can increase or decrease the height and width of column or particular cell. And alignment, again here we have alignments: top, center, bottom center, left align, centralized, right align, and so on. So now we can align our text also. And to merge two columns together, select merge and center. Okay, so this is how we can do the formatting in our sheet. And if you want to arrange it ascending or descending, select it. Here we have sort and filter option. Sort A to Z. See, it will automatically sort. Children, it has sorted according to the products purchased, not on the basis of the serial number. So it's up to you by which method you want to sort the thing, either ascending, descending, or in which way. You can use your MS Excel sheet in different methods. Also, you can introduce any picture. If you want to introduce any picture or anything, you can also insert any picture in your sheet easily. See, this is how you can insert picture also in your Excel sheet if you want. So for example, if you want to introduce the pictures here in the cell according to the name of the commodity, you can insert it so that children can understand what is bakery, what is bedsheet, what is cookie. So this is how we can use this MS Excel sheet to make it more easier and to reduce the time limit and to work faster. So children, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please practice at home, learn it nicely, and for your queries you are most welcome. Stay safe, stay home, have a nice day.